Good day, you're welcome to this channel again, where we help you achieve your personal goals and we drive towards your personal growth. We help you become the best version of your original self. So if you've not subscribed to us, make sure you do. But this is a question from someone that was sent in, and we're going to deal with that today. Remember, we spoke the last time about why someone was constantly being sad. Today, we want to deal with the fact that someone is asking, how do I make my day work? Hey, motivation doctor, good day. How do I make my day work? Sometimes I feel that things are not just working for me. Sometimes at night, I feel I have wasted my day and I feel kind of sad. So, how do I make my day work? Hmm. The reality on ground is the fact that you have 24 hours in a day, but you can't work through the 24 hours. So, I'm going to share with you 5 things you can do to make your day work. Because the reality on ground is you just want a day that is going to be effective for you, that is going to be fulfilling for you. Remember, we've said that you mustn't compare yourself with another person. No matter what the person is doing, it's an example for you to study in principle, but you don't necessarily have to copy that person's journey. So, what does a day consist of? A day consists of 24 hours. And in these 24 hours, you have the time you're going to sleep. In these 24 hours, you have the time you're going to actually eat. In these 24 hours, you have the time you're going to actually have your bath, you're going to go to the bathroom, you're going to do one or two things. So you don't have a full 24 hours to do all the work you want to do, but you do have a whole lot of time to be able to do it well. Now, one of the things that we've learned over time that has helped us is that everything we do with a principle. Everything we do, we try to do with a pattern. We try to create a system that we can always replicate every day. And we try to start from simple versions of that system. For instance, in a simple breakdown of what a day is broken down into morning, afternoon, night. So the first thing I would even advise is that try to pick two things each you want to do in each of the section. In the morning, what are the two things you would like to do? In the afternoon, what are the two things you would like to do? And at night, what are the two things you would like to do? That means that every day for 30 days, you would have done 6 things. It means that you would have done 180 things, 180 activities. That would help you to feel that your day is quite fulfilling. If you have any goal set, it is definite that you'll be approaching that goal with a lot of focus if you can do what we just said. But let's go into the 5 things that actually will help you set your day. First thing is you have to start your day with a positive manner. So you have to ask yourself, whenever I start my day, what are those things that I can do that can actually make me feel today is going to be positive? For a lot of people start their days with prayer and words of affirmation because they believe it can set the tone for the day. For some people, they do exercises. For some people, they watch movies. For some people, they talk to a loved one. For some people, they do one ritual or the other. But start your day on a positive note. What if you woke up feeling negative? The truth is, if you start your day on a positive note, you're going to wipe away that negativity. So, number one, start your day on a positive note. And that leads me to number two, even though it's not the same time, end your day on a positive note. You see, before you go to bed, some people decide they still want to pray. Some people want to meditate. Some people want to speak to a loved one. Some people want to watch a movie. You must form a habit of ending your day on a positive note. Stop going to bed feeling angry. Stop going to bed letting the things that you consume be negative because it will go through your sleep and wake you up negative. So end your day on a positive note. Number three, do at least 3 things. And remember, we've said that you can do 6 things easily by doing 2 things in the morning, 2 things in the afternoon, 2 things at night. But if you cannot meet that, because don't over push yourself, always work within your capacity and grow yourself. One of the challenges people have had is the fact that we over push ourselves because of the motivation words that we hear and we want to do so much. No, you have to build your capacity in order to meet your target. So don't rush yourself. The key word is be consistent. That's the thing. It's not about how big you do a lot of things. It's actually how consistent you do a lot of things. That's the secret. So do at least 3 things. It means that one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one at night. That way, you would have done 90 things or taken 90 steps at the end of the month. You need to commit to this. Remember, it's the consistency that affects the whole situation. If you can try this, it helps to work. You can get an accountability partner, someone that can help you jumpstart it initially, so that after it becomes a habit, you can then do it alone. Number four, give time for meditation. The truth of the matter is that your state of mind affects your whole day. Your state of mind affects your performance. Your state of mind affects how you do whatever you do. Your state of mind affects every single thing you do. And all you have to do is make sure that your state of mind is in the right place. Now, what I've discovered is that meditation works very well. There are a lot of channels that have spoken about meditation. I would advise you that you watch them and then you study them. We're going to cover those kind of topics very soon, but what we're doing is we're responding according to people's emails. But meditation is good. Spend at least 20 minutes in a day meditating, visualizing what you believe your future will be, visualizing what you believe your life will be. Don't let yourself feel very, very discouraged. But by meditation, you can use that state of mind to create the future that you want, and you'll be at peace. You don't even have to think of anything, but you just pre-ordering the kind of peace you want in future and in your present. And it will change a whole lot of things for you. It works wonders. Number 5, do at least one thing that will make you super smile in a day. For some people, it's watching that comedy. For some people, it's taking that walk. For some people, it's talking to that loved one. For some people, it's doing that exercise. I don't know what it is for you, but whatever it is, make sure you do that one thing that helps you achieve that smile. It will change a lot of things. Till next time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Till next time, we will talk about the next topic anybody writes to us. Thank you.